Hi everyone, it's Ira and welcome to gmailfiend. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to add an email to your task list on Google. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so after you logged in your Google account and then go to mail.google.com, all you have to do is select the email that you want to put on your tasks or task list. Then after you select the email, you can either right click on it and then click add to tasks. And as you can see, you are given the opportunity or the option to change the task title, or you can also just click on the email and then click this button right here, which is like a check mark with a circle and a plus on it. So just click it. And as you can see, all the emails that you have selected is now added to your task. And you can just check it off to mark it as done. So yeah, we hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please do hit the subscribe button down below. And also don't forget to check our channel for more videos like this. See you on our next video. Bye!